Welcome to this tutorial on ECS Services. In this video, we'll explore how to run and scale tasks effectively using Amazon Elastic Container Service. ECS services are a fundamental component for managing containerized applications in production environments. An ECS service is a managed component that ensures a specified number of task instances run continuously within your cluster. It handles task scheduling, determines where tasks should run based on available resources, and automatically replaces any failed tasks to maintain the desired count. This means your applications remain highly available without manual intervention. ECS services rely on 4 key components. First, the task definition acts as a blueprint that defines how your containers should run. Second, the desired count specifies how many instances of your task should be running at any time. Third, a load balancer distributes incoming traffic evenly across your running tasks. Finally, auto-scaling automatically adjusts your task capacity based on demand, ensuring optimal resource utilization. Creating an ECS service is straightforward using the AWS command line interface. You specify the cluster name where the service will run, give your service a name, reference the task definition with its version number, set the desired count of tasks, choose a launch type like Fargate for serverless container deployment, and configure network settings including subnets and security groups. ECS supports 3 deployment strategies. The rolling update strategy gradually replaces old task versions with new ones, minimizing downtime while ensuring some instances remain available throughout the deployment. The blue-green deployment creates a complete new environment alongside the existing one, then switches traffic over once validated. The recreate strategy stops all existing tasks before deploying the new version, resulting in temporary downtime but ensuring a clean slate. ECS service auto-scaling dynamically adjusts the number of running tasks based on CloudWatch metrics. You can configure scaling policies that respond to CPU utilization, memory usage, or request count per task. This ensures your application can handle traffic spikes by scaling out when demand increases and scale in during low traffic periods to optimize costs. ECS integrates seamlessly with a AWS Cloud Map for service discovery. This enables automatic DNS namespace registration, so your services can find each other using simple domain names instead of hard-coded IP addresses. Endpoints are automatically updated as tasks start and stop. Health checks ensure only healthy instances receive traffic, and service-to-service communication becomes simple and reliable. To run ECS services effectively, follow these best practices. Always configure proper health checks so ECS can detect and replace unhealthy tasks automatically. Monitor key metrics like CPU usage, memory consumption, and task count to understand your application's behavior. Set appropriate minimum and maximum task limits to balance availability with cost. Finally, apply the principle of least privilege when configuring security groups, only allowing the network traffic that's absolutely necessary for your application to function.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.